In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a follow-up email on Gmail step by step. Follow-up emails are extremely useful when you're waiting for a response from someone, whether it's for work, business, customer support, job applications, or personal communication. Gmail makes it easy to continue conversations professionally while keeping everything organized inside the same email thread. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once your inbox loads, locate the email conversation you want to follow up on. Usually, this will be an email you previously sent but haven't received a reply to yet. Click on the conversation to open the full thread. After opening the email thread, scroll to the bottom of the conversation where you'll see the reply box. Click inside the reply area to begin writing your follow-up email. Since you're replying inside the same thread, Gmail automatically keeps the conversation connected, making it easier for both you and the recipient to track the discussion. When writing a follow-up email, it's important to keep your message polite, professional, and direct. Start with a short greeting, then briefly remind the person about your previous message. After that, clearly explain why you're following up and what kind of response or update you're waiting for. Keeping the message concise usually increases the chances of getting a reply. You can also add additional details or attachments if needed. For example, if you're following up about a business proposal, job application, invoice, or meeting request, you can include extra context to help refresh the recipient's memory. Gmail also allows you to format text, insert links, and attach files directly from the reply window. Before sending your email, double-check the recipient's address, your message, and any attachments you included. Once everything looks good, click the Send button at the bottom of the reply box. Your follow-up email will then be delivered within the same conversation thread, helping keep communication organized and professional. If you don't receive a response after a few days, you can repeat the process with another polite follow-up message. Just be careful not to send too many emails in a short period of time, as this may come across as spammy or overly aggressive. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send a follow-up email on Gmail. This is a simple but very effective way to improve communication, stay professional, and increase the chances of getting responses faster. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Gmail tutorials, productivity tips, and tech guides.